guys, this is PJ Azurin and I would like to congratulate Rona Vlog for having 10,000 subscribers. Wow, it's a feat na lahat ng mga small YouTuber ay inaasam-asam na magkaroon ng 10,000 subscribers. Congratulations kapatid and saludo kami sa iyo and we are very happy for you. And thank you sa lahat ng mga support na binibigay mo sa mga katulad namin ng mga small YouTuber pa lamang. And more power sa channel mo. Sana mas lumago pa, more contents to come. And we really enjoy your friendship to and your support to the small YouTube community. Alright, God bless kapatid na Rona Vlog, and again, congratulations on your 10,000 bananas, 10,000 followers. Alright, God bless ulit kapatid. Bye-bye!